Thank you today for our veterans, whether you're active military, a retired veteran, or served in any way. I personally, and Jeeps on the Run, want to thank you for your service. And we've got a special announcement from Jeep that's getting revealed today. Jeep has really been on the gas with some new products, some new innovations, special editions. And today is going to be the kickoff to something we really can't talk about quite yet. But you're going to want to stick around on the channel for the next couple weeks. Even tomorrow we'll have some new information of some content straight from Jeep, and it's going to be a lot of fun. But let's talk about what dropped today. In honor of 85 years of military heritage and being ranked the most patriotic vehicle brand, Jeep is dropping the Commando 392 today. This thing is incredible. Now they're only making 250 of them, and only 249 of them are going to be for sale. We'll talk about that in a second. Guys, this thing's got a V8. It teamed up with Fox Factory. It's got JKS suspension kit. It's got Fox 3.0 shocks, upgraded steering stabilizers, Mopar wheels with 37-inch Nitto tires, MagnaFlow exhaust, a Whipple Gen 6 3.0 liter supercharger, catskin leather to wrap that interior vintage with a nice tan, best top bikini top in tan, and color matched tube doors direct from Mopar. This thing looks unbelievable. Here's the best part, you guys, is the price. All of this for under 70 grand, $69,995. Now it sounds like a lot of money, but go shop for a standard Rubicon right now and match it up to that $69,995. That is unbelievable. That's awesome. Now here's the catch. Maybe it's not a catch. I actually think this is pretty cool. The only way you can buy this right now is if you are active military or a veteran. Now, that's where you're gonna buy. 249 of them are available that way. So where's the last one going? Well, Jeep is raffling off, or I should say auctioning off, the 250th one. So if you're the proud winner of that 250th one, you'll know that 100% of the money collected from that is going to support the USO for our troops. Absolutely awesome. You know what's also awesome is if you miss out on that one, you can scan the link right here, and we're raffling off a 2025 Jeep Gladiator with 100% of the ticket sales supporting Toys for Tots. And we only sell 3,000 tickets. Your odds are really good. Guys, either way, it's super awesome. I love what the brand is doing for those who served. Super incredible. We've got a lot of good stuff coming out on the channel. We've even got another reveal coming tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going to be able to talk a little bit more about what's coming down the pipe. You're going to want to subscribe because we've got some information straight from Jeep. And it's going to be, there's a lot of good stuff coming in the next few months. So stay tuned, subscribe. If you're interested to know what Jeep's putting out in the next few weeks, you'll find it here. Thanks for watching. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, active military. We'll see you on the next video.